What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate AI music with Google Gemini. So the first thing you need to do is go to gemini.google.com. And when you land on the interface, you'll see several options. You can find the Create Music icon next to Create Image icon. Just click on Create Music. Now you need to pick a track to remix like 90s rap, Latin pop, reggaeton, R&B romance, etc. For this one, I'll choose Workout. Just click on the music you want to remix and also you have the preview button to see what's going on. Now, when you select your music, you'll see customize this track on the prompt place. All you have to do is customize it as you want. For me, I'll just do simple bass. When you do that, just press enter and wait for Gemini to generate your AI music. You'll see loading area because it's the main model responsible for creating music from Google. Just wait for a few minutes while your track is generating. And when it's done, all you have to do is just press the play button and you'll see your song generated and ready. You can also download it or share it with your friends. This is the track I generated. You can see and listen to it here.